Workshop, everybody. Who's ready to learn about some film? The Meadow Brook Elementary Film Workshop is a collaboration between OU's film program and the Rochester Community Schools District. It was really a desire from the OU film program to kind of give back to the community. When the opportunity came and the film program came to me and offered me, hey, do you want to take this over? I saw it as a really exciting opportunity to evolve the program and kind of fit in some new curriculum that students hadn't got to learn before, that make sure that it stayed exciting and kind of on the cutting edge of what the students had access to at the time. I'm Zachary C. I am the lead instructor for the Meadow Brook Elementary Film Workshop, and I am the project manager and videographer for Oakland University Housing as well. So throughout the course of the film workshop, the students actually make about 6 films in 5 days. So because we've partnered with the Rochester School District, Oakland University's film program brings in Panasonic 4Ks and Rode microphones and boom poles. These are just professional filmmaking tools that the students wouldn't normally get access to. Honestly, the most exciting part is just seeing those kids light up when they realize that they can do this. They can make films, they can make content. The biggest priority for me in the program is just making sure that we can kind of spark these kids' imagination and give them the tools that they can use to go forward and create the things that they want to create. So that is absolutely the best part. It's the most special part to me.